Welcome to Educate 247 friends. Today, this video is about cat reading comprehension actual sources. Basically, from where do these cat people pick up their passages? There should be some source, right? They are not making up their own passages. So, there is a specific pattern to this. So, I've tried to analyze that pattern. I've did some research and I've collected a lot of data for you. So, this will help you steer your preparation in the right way. So this is what past year's actual sources for RC that will give you an edge in your preparation for reading comprehension, right? Reading comprehension forms about 70% of your VARC, which is colossal, hence very important. So you should be aware from where do these cat people do pick up their passages for the examination, so that you also start reading the same sort of passages, because you'll get into that zone and alignment with the tone, the type of passages and everything, the inferences and all that stuff. Alright, so let's get started. Before we start, Educare 247's flagship course, CAT Booster 2020, is launched. We are getting overwhelming support from all the students. Alright, please, if you have not visited the website, please do visit the website and explore the course. This is preparation to selection. We have video lectures, we have tests, we have mocks, we have everything. We have one-to-one live mentorship sessions, strategy sessions, and profile building and GDPI preparation support. Apart from that, there are various other individual courses also launched, like verbal ability course, quantitative aptitude course, and data interpretation and logical reasoning course. Alright, these courses, friend, will help you to steer into the right preparation. If you're not scoring well in your tests and mocks, trust me, these courses will help you. Alright, so let us have a look at some of the trends in reading comprehension. Alright, you can just save this video because it will help you throughout your preparation for VARC. Trust me. So, philosophy, which is one of the very important parts of your RCs, one or the other passage do come on this every year since 2017 especially. So you can see in 2002 on philosophy there were 1, 2 and 3 passages. Alright, so in 2002 there was a passage on the nature and the role of philosophy. Then 2006 dogmatic and critical attitude. Similarly in 2006 a conception of justice. Alright, this was philosophy till 2006. Economics, you can see 1999 the creation of WTO, TRIP, the viability of multinational corporate system, the second age globalization. Alright, so this came on economics, some of which I could find out the sources. Political science, very heavy weightage it had. Alright, from 1999 to 2008. So you can see various topics that have been mentioned over here. You can pause the video, note them down, or take a screenshot, or just save the video. Alright, this will help you a lot. Please try to read all of them. This is arts and literature. Alright, you can see these are one of the most tough topics: human perception, creation, abstract and representational art. Alright, so try to discover some of such articles and try developing a habit to read them. Alright, I've mentioned from 1999 to 2008. Arts and literature, this was a kind of poetic version that came in CAT. Alright, Billie Holiday, an obituary, the narrative of Dersu Uzala, a film review, In Search of Ithaca poem. Alright, so these were quite different. So that is why I took them in a different table. Science and technology has been a common part, sub part in of RC from past 3 years. Alright, so it's very important. I think it has been a major part rather been just a part. So you can see various topics that did came in CAT. Society, culture and human behavior. Again, these are quite tough. You should start reading articles on this particular topics that I've mentioned, and also on similar type of topics. And then at the last, miscellaneous. Alright, the art of war, phonological skills, rhetoric of economist, wine consumption, secularization, the manless Tasavvo lions. Alright, all of them, these are I've just taken them under miscellaneous category. Then on this I have mentioned the sources of this reading comprehension. So I've tried to collect it, I've done some research. You can see right from CAT 2004, 2005, 2006. Alright, the passage about this lions was from National Geographic, right? Then from what book they have been taken, from what magazines they have been taken, everything has been mentioned over here. Alright, please note this down very carefully. This will help you a lot to decide what you have to read and what you have to not read, because I see a lot of students wasting time on reading something that is not going to help them in their CAT preparation. This will steer you in proper direction, and trust me, this will help you improve your score in your mocks as well. Alright, again this is continued over here till 2008. You can see what all topics from what all sources they have picked up, and you can just judge that what all you need to read now in future, now that you have 3 months left. Alright, now I've tried to sum up from 2017 to 19. Alright, what was the trend in reading comprehension? The Guardian gave 3 passages. Aeon, which is again a very famous source, gave 4 passages from 2017 to 2019. New York Times gave 5 passages. Smithsonian Magazine gave 3 passages. Economist gave 2 passages. The Atlantic gave 2 passages. Apart from this, there were other few sources as well, which are not quite frequent. Like they were one in a million type of thing that had happened. Alright, but these are the common sources that CAT actually uses. So I want you to go to these sources and start reading. Alright, I want you to start reading some of the editorials over here. Apart from that, visit All Daily. It has very good resources of articles that you can read, which are quite relevant to the articles that are seen in CAT. Last year in 2019, VARC was a shocker because it was quite tough. It was not tough. The questions, if you see, were easy, but the language in the passage was quite high level. So if a person who has been doing this exercise of reading such articles from these sources and this all daily, he would have found VARC as a piece of cake. So now you will understand what is the importance of being prepared in the right direction, right? So that's it in this video, guys. Thank you and happy learning.